Hello everyone, welcome back to NC in Cybersecurity. Today we will discuss about firewalls and types of firewalls. I will focus mostly on what is the difference between the stateless and stateful firewalls and how these firewalls control network traffic differently. Before understanding about what is firewall, please do subscribe to NC in Cybersecurity. Let's start with a basic question. What is a firewall? A firewall is a network security system, either hardware or software, that acts as a barrier between a trusted internal network and untrusted external networks, such as Internet. Now let's look at the types of firewalls: stateless firewall and stateful firewall. Stateless firewall is a network security system that filters traffic based solely on static individual packet information, such as source IP, destination IP, port, and protocol. This considers every request as a new request even though there is a previous connection established, because it will not store any data, and it considers all the requests as new requests as they come in. Unlike stateless firewall, stateful firewall is a network security system that monitors the full context of active networks, tracking the state of sessions from initiation to termination. It inspects packet headers and payload, allowing only legitimate expected traffic, such as established TCP handshakes, while blocking unauthorized access. As it can store the session information, it can understand if a packet is new or part of an existing conversation. There are several advantages and disadvantages with both stateless and stateful firewalls. Let's look at stateless firewall advantages. It is high in performance but low in cost and is ideal for simple networks. But it also have disadvantages like lower security, lack of context awareness, inability to detect attacks, and it is complex to manage. Stateful firewall is widely used because of its enhanced security, context aware filtering, simplified rule bases, and robust protection. Whereas it also comes with some disadvantages like it consumes high resources, it increases cost, and also have complexity in configuration and has vulnerability to specific attacks. It also has limited application awareness. Now let me give you a practical example. Simple example: visiting a website. When you visit a website, your browser sends a request to load a web page. The server responds with multiple data packets, and each packet must pass through the firewall. With the stateless firewall, it checks every packet separately with no memory of previous requests. Each data packet is inspected independently and no context is retained. With the stateful firewall, it remembers the established connection and allows related packets through easily. Once your initial request is approved, all the response packets are recognized as part of that legitimate session. To summarize the key differences, stateless firewalls have no memory of connections, offer faster processing speed, provide basic packet filtering, and are lightweight on resources. It makes simple rule based decisions and check each packet independently. On the other hand, stateful firewalls remember active sessions, provide more secure filtering, offer smart traffic analysis, use higher resources, traffic connection states, and allow related packets through. The key distinction is whether the firewall tracks the session state. If you get confused with stateful and stateless firewalls, here is a trick to remember. Stateful firewalls remember everything. That means stateful is full of memory and stateless is no memory. So, to wrap up, firewalls control traffic differently based on their memory of connections. Stateless firewalls offer faster processing with lightweight resource usage, whereas Stateful provides stronger protection through session tracking, better traffic analysis, and suspicious behavior detection. I hope this video helped you to understand clearly the difference between stateful and stateless firewalls. Thank you for watching. Do comment if you have any questions. Please do subscribe to NC in Cybersecurity.